help me carry it. Please, help me carry it. I lost my pencil. I lost my pencil. My bag is too heavy. My bag is too heavy. I am very thirsty. I am very thirsty. I forgot my homework. I forgot my homework. I will clean the table. I will clean the table. My phone battery is low. My phone battery is low. I missed the bus. I missed the bus. I cannot find my keys. I cannot find my keys. I spilled my juice. I spilled my juice. Can you fix it? Can you fix? My toy is broken. My toy is broken. I need some rest. I need some rest. I feel very tired. I feel very tired. My notebook is full. I am very hungry. I am very hungry. My eraser is missing. My eraser is missing. I cannot solve this problem. I cannot solve this problem. My room is messy. My room is messy. My ball rolled away. I am feeling sick. I am feeling sick. I need to see a doctor. I need to see a doctor. I forgot my password. I forgot my password. Can I drink some water? Can I drink some water? My pencil is too short. I lost my water bottle. I lost my water bottle.